Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I'm going to talk about my up and coming plans for 2020 and what we've been up to, what I'm going to be focused on, and also I'm going to be wishing you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. So guys, great things are happening with Minerva, which is the company I'm a part of. This is my primary business. And we're getting ready to really lay the foundations. We've been involved for a year, the company that I'm involved in. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to just say that Minerva is a great company. It's a company for those of you who are looking for a company to work from the comfort of your own home, to earn some money, get paid on a daily basis, a passive income opportunity. But also, we've also put together a great marketing system so that those of you who are prepared to build a team, you're going to be able to do that very, very easily because it's a very high converting opportunity. There are no monthly fees, no startup costs, anything like that. But for the people who know and have been following what I've been doing, Minerva has been going through a lot of exciting changes, adapting. We've been around for our first year, and we have put together a lot of great things in our first year. We've just celebrated our 1 year anniversary. And now the next plans, the next exciting stages from this point, we're moving forward. We're getting ready to launch our new payment processor. We're making things really smooth. We're going to be excited about the new card coming on in early 2020. We're going to have a debit card, a global cash card that everyone's going to be able to get their payments in out of Minerva very easily, not only with our own built-in payment processor, but also a system in place so that we're going to be able to look forward to a global cash card as well. So getting money both in and out of Minerva is going to be very easy. And we're also going to be looking forward to a number of other exciting new additions to our platform. So guys, my exciting plans for 2020 obviously is Minerva. I've also brought out recently a very powerful marketing system that you're going to be able to get access to. And this marketing system is, it really is a full-blown funnel system that is really dedicated, really focused, no distractions. You go through the funnel, your leads will go through the funnel, they get straight onto your mailing list, and you'll be able to follow up with those leads. We've got all the autoresponder follow-up messages already loaded into your account, so that you'll be able to just simply get those follow-up messages using a share code. And you'll be able to set up the entire system really within minutes. It's really just fill in the blanks, click save, and the marketing system will be set up very, very easily. We've put in SendShark because SendShark is what I like to call the sort of the engine, the system that automates the entire process. Because guys, when you're marketing your businesses on the internet, you need to be able to follow up, but you need to automate a certain amount of that process, because when you get to a point where you're able to generate leads really, really easily, really fast, and you'll be able to attract a lot of people to your system, you need a way to be able to follow up those leads. You need to be able to automate a portion of that, and we've got a system in place that allows you to really bring leads into your own system database, and then work to follow up with those leads, get them on board, build that know, like, and trust, and really automate most of that process. So I like to call this system our prospecting system, because it really is. It allows you, even the complete newbie who has absolutely no idea what they're doing and how to make money on the internet, to be able to prospect on an automated basis, to get people on board, get people set up, give out instructions, give out the necessary training that you need, get people into the necessary groups and the chat groups, because we have a lot of live support, and also get people all the information they need so they can get onto the live webinars, which we have every week. Okay, once you're plugged into this system using our marketing system, and you're plugged in with our Minerva company, which is the company responsible for allowing us, the members, to get paid on a daily basis, even passively, even if you choose not to build a team, you've really got a very good all-in-one system. Okay, so we've got Minerva, we've got SendShark, which is the backbone, which is the I like to call the engine, the thing that drives the marketing side, so that we can automate most of this process. So we've got the Minerva, SendShark, and also we sort of bridge it all together with my marketing system, which is free. And then we've also got training so that you know how to market your business, okay, and also you know how to get set up with cryptocurrency, which is also important. We've got a system in place in the back office that teaches you how to get on board with cryptocurrency with even, you know, a credit card or PayPal, so that you can get on board. Or, you know, maybe you know how to get on board with cryptocurrency, that's fine, but you're going to be, you know, you're going to be promoting to people who potentially don't have a way to get access to cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrency, whatever. But with the system that we have in the back office, we have a method, an opportunity for you to get involved with a company called Xcoins that allow you to buy Bitcoin with PayPal, all right, or with a credit card, or using a bank transfer, you know. So we've got everything you need: the tools, the training. We've got the income opportunity. We've got the SendShark, which is the engine we like to call, that automates most of this process. So having this all in one single funnel system with a back office, a members area, that's what you guys get. All right, that's what I've created. I know I'm not showing that on screen, but the point is, you're going to be able to get that simply when you go through on the link below. You'll get access to absolutely everything: the training, the support, the business in a box, the opportunity for you to be able to earn a passive income on a daily basis by going through and getting fully set up with Minerva. All right, this is the company that I've been involved in for several months. You know, I actually joined in May of 2019, but I didn't get started properly until August. All right, so I've been involved long enough and had a chance to get with the owners, get with the CEO, have one-on-one chats and conversations with the support and the owner and the CEO. All right, so you can rest assured that you have the right connections, the necessary connections. You're in good hands. You have the guidance and support. All you need to do now is to get to know me, and I'm very approachable. You know, get to know me, get on the links below, get involved in the marketing system, the prospecting system that I've created. And then you'll be able to have complete access to me, to my training, to ask me questions. You can get into the groups as well. You can get onto the webinars and then get fully on board. If you're looking for a business opportunity in 2020 that you really want to get started with, you know, you're looking for a New Year's resolution, something that you can really get on board with, you know, an opportunity where you can join a team, place where you can call home, you know, join the family, and have a long-term chance to generate great success. This is the opportunity for you. I look forward to working with you. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, and we look forward to 2020 with a great system, great opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside. Get on the link below and let's get you started. Okay, bye for now.